Hello guys, today I will show you how to clone BMW engine ECU with launch, X431 pad 5 link and XPROG3 with adapter MCU3. If you need launch X431 pad 5, XPROG3, MCU3 or another X431 tool, you can buy it by our friends on www.KINGBOLEN.com. The reason to clone that ECU is the original ECU is failure, and we bought another used one for the customer and we should to clone the new ECU. Let's start. Connect PAR 5 with XPROG3 and MCU3, and power them with the power supply adapter by the XPROG3 kit. After that, enter in menu MCU3, choose ECU, Bosch ECU and choose your ECU hours Bosch EDC16C35. After that, see in the manual how to connect true with engine ECU. Click connect, click full backup complete data, wait to read the and save the file. After that, get to new ECU and connect via XPROG3. After that, click connect. Click restore complete data. Choose the read data from the old ECU and press OK. If you like that video, please like it and subscribe for my channel. Guys, I wish you all the best. See you soon.